Welcome back. This is part 2 of the Complete English Beginners course. In part 1, you learned greetings and numbers. If you have not watched part 1 yet, go back and watch it first. In this video, you will learn 2 new topics: colors and adjectives, and family vocabulary. These words will help you describe the world around you and talk about the people you love. Let us start. Module 3. Colors and adjectives. Colors are one of the first things we use to describe the world. Let us learn all the basic colors in English. I will say each color and you repeat after me. Red, red. Think of a red apple. The apple is red. The apple is red. Red. Blue, blue. Think of the sky on a sunny day. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Blue. Green, green. Think of the grass in a park. The grass is green. The grass is green. Green. Yellow, yellow. Think of the sun. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. Yellow. Black. Think of the night sky. The night is black. The night is black. Black. White, white. Think of snow. Snow is white. Snow is white. White. Orange, orange. Think of the fruit orange. The orange is orange. The orange is orange. Orange has the same name as the fruit. Easy to remember. Purple, purple. Think of lavender flowers. The flower is purple. The flower is purple. Purple. Pink, pink. Think of flamingos. The flamingo is pink. The flamingo is pink. Pink. Brown, brown. Think of chocolate. Chocolate is brown. Chocolate is brown. Gray, gray. Think of clouds on a rainy day. The clouds are gray. The clouds are gray, gray. Let us review all 11 colors together. Say each one with me. Red, blue, green, yellow, white, orange, purple, pink, brown, gray. Say them again, faster this time. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, purple, pink, brown, gray. Excellent. Now let us learn adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe things and people. They make your English much richer and more interesting. Big and small, big and small. These describe size. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. The ant is small. The ant is small. Say them. Big, small, tall and short, tall and short. We use these for people's height. She is tall. She is tall. He is short. He is short. Tall, short, long, and short. We also use long and short for objects. The road is long. The road is long. The pencil is short. The pencil is short. Old and new. Old and new. This car is old. This car is old. This phone is new. This phone is new. Old, new. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. The ice cream is cold. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold, good and bad. Good and bad. This is a good idea. This is a good idea. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. Good, bad. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. The cheetah is fast. The cheetah is fast. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Fast, slow. Happy and sad. Happy and sad. I am happy. I am happy. Say it. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. Happy, sad. Choose happy. Beautiful, beautiful. The sunset is beautiful. The sunset is beautiful, beautiful. Clean and dirty. Clean and dirty. My room is clean. My room is clean. The car is dirty. The car is dirty. Clean, dirty. Easy and difficult. Easy and difficult. English is easy. English is easy. Well, it is becoming easier. Easy. Difficult. Now let us practice combining colors and adjectives in sentences. This is where it gets fun. She has a big red bag. She has a big red bag. Say it. She has a big red bag. The old black car is slow. The old black car is slow. The old black car is slow. He has a beautiful new blue jacket. He has a beautiful new blue jacket. The small gray cat is sleeping. The small gray cat is sleeping. Look around your room right now. Pick any object. What color is it? What size? What condition? Describe it in English. For example, I have a big brown table. Try it. Module 3 is complete. Colors and adjectives. Fantastic progress. Now let us move to Module 4. Module 4. Family. Family is the heart of every culture. Talking about your family is one of the most common things you will do in English. Let us learn all the important family words. Mother. Mother. This is your mom. My mother is kind and loving. My mother is kind and loving. You can also say mom, American English, or mum, British English. Father. Father. This is your dad. My father is strong and funny. My father is strong and funny. You can also say dad. Brother. Brother, a male sibling. I have one brother. I have one brother. Or I have two brothers. Notice the S for plural. Sister. Sister, a female sibling. I have one sister. I have one sister. I have three sisters. Parents. Parents. This is your mother and father together. I live with my parents. I live with my parents. Son. Son. Your male child. My son is 5 years old. My son is 5 years old. Daughter. Daughter. Your female child. My daughter is 8 years old. My daughter is 8 years old. Children. Children. Your sons and daughters together. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Important. 1 child. 2 children. Children is the plural of child. Grandmother. Grandmother. Your parents' mother, also called grandma or granny. My grandma is 80 years old. My grandma is 80 years old. She is beautiful. Grandfather. Grandfather. Your parents' father, also called grandpa. My grandpa loves fishing and gardening. My grandpa loves fishing and gardening. Grandparents. Grandparents. Your grandmother and grandfather together. I love my grandparents. I love my grandparents. Uncle. Uncle. Your parents' brother. My uncle is very funny. My uncle is very funny. Aunt. Aunt. Your parents' sister. My aunt is a great cook. My aunt is a great cook. Cousin. Cousin. The child of your aunt or uncle. I have 10 cousins. I have 10 cousins. Husband. Husband. The man in a marriage. My husband is very kind. My husband is very kind. Wife. Wife. The woman in a marriage. My wife is a doctor. My wife is a doctor. Baby. Baby. A very young child. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. So cute. Friend. Friend. Not family but close. Good friends are like family. My best friend is very loyal. My best friend is very loyal. Only child. Only child. This means you have no brothers or sisters. I am an only child. I am an only child. Now let us practice with some very useful sentences and questions. Talking about your family size. I have a big family. I have a big family. I have a small family. I have a small family. I am an only child. I am an only child. Talking about where your family is from. My family is from Italy. My family is from Italy. Now say it with your country. My family is from... Talking about family jobs. My mother is a nurse. My mother is a nurse. My father is an engineer. My father is an engineer. My sister is a student. My sister is a student. Describing family members. My brother is tall and funny. My brother is tall and funny. See? We are using our adjectives from Module 3. My grandmother is old but very beautiful. My grandmother is old but very beautiful. Now, let us practice some family questions. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Practice asking this. Answer with your real life. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters, or I am an only child. Do you have children? Do you have children? Answer, yes, I have 2 children, or no, not yet. Are you married? Are you married? Answer, yes, I am married, or no, I am single. No, I am single. What does your father do? What does your father do? Answer with a job. He is a teacher. He is a businessman. He is retired. He is retired. Retired means he used to work but stopped. Excellent. Let us review Module 4. Say these family words with me one more time. Mother, father, brother, sister, parents, daughter, children, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin, husband, wife, baby, friend. You now know all the essential family vocabulary in English. Think about your own family. Say their names and their relationships out loud in English right now. That is it for Part 2. You have learned colors, adjectives, and family vocabulary. Incredible work. In Part 3, you will learn how to order food at a restaurant and how to ask for directions. 2 topics you need every time you travel to an English-speaking country. Click on Part 3 right now and keep your momentum going. Do not stop. The more you practice, the better your English gets. Subscribe to Learn Languages for more English lessons. Like this video if it helped you, comment below and describe your family in English. I want to read it. Thank you for watching. See you in Part 3. Goodbye.